move. As you can see, it's 3 to 3.7. So it all depends on what you want. Hey, what's up guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and in this video I'll be revealing and showing you guys one of the best and most highly profitable Heikin Ashi trading strategy that to be honest guys, it's really simple and really effective. Like, if you can trade this consistently, then guys, you're looking to make some serious cash with this strategy. And it's really simple, straightforward. All I want you guys to do is stick to this trading strategy and be consistent, because if you're jumping around from one strategy to the other, then there's a chance that you're gonna lose. So I want you guys to stick with this strategy. Try to watch this video to the end so you don't get destroyed, because you need to understand every single reason for this strategy. So stay calm and let's get into this video. So I looked at my stats and I saw that only a small percentage of people who watch my videos actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. And don't forget to like and share this video to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm. You never know guys, this video could change someone's life. And if you have any video ideas you want me to make, drop it a comment and I will try my best to make that video. Alright guys, so as always, let's start with the rules and conditions of this trading strategy. So simply all we have to do is, if you I'm using TradingView, so you can get TradingView. The link is in the description below. So if you're using TradingView, the default chart pattern is going to be maybe the candlestick. So if you want to get this Heiken Ashi candlestick, then you come to this point here, close to the time frames and other stuff, and you click on it. It was initially on this candlestick, but I changed it to, as you can see, Heikin Ashi. Alright, so that's it. Alright, so the rules of this strategy is we want to see a breakout of this 200 EMA line. And my bad, I'm so sorry guys, I didn't show you guys how to put the 200 EMA line on your chart. So you come to this point and you search for EMA, and there it is, moving average exponential. So you have to add the exponential moving average line on your chart, and when you add it, then you click on this setting tool and you change this length to 200 and use whichever color you want to use. And the second indicator is the ATR. So the ATR and the 200 EMA are the only indicators we need for this strategy. Alright, so like I said, the rules is we want to see a breakout of the 200 exponential moving average line, and we want to see the market touch. Guys, listen to this, please don't skip this video. Watch this video accordingly, watch this video to the end so you don't get wrecked. Alright, so you want to see the 200 EMA line, you want to see the price retrace back, and it must touch the 200 EMA line. As you can see, there's a breakout here, but this candlestick did not touch the 200 EMA line. So at this point, this is where the candlestick touched. So as after seeing the touch of the 200 EMA, we want to see two Heikin Ashi bearish candlesticks, right, for a sell. This is for a sell trade. All right, so 1, 2, you can see after the touch we saw this green candlestick, and then we saw this bearish candlestick and this bearish candlestick. So two candlesticks and we will get in the trade. Alright, so for the entry we want to set, alright, so our entry confirmation is these two candlesticks. So when the market breaks out and touches the 200 EMA line, we want to see two bearish candlesticks. Alright, that will be our entry trigger. Like, this will be our entry confirmation. And once we see this, so now guys, for the stops and targets, so for the stops we want to use the 1.5, or it depends if you want to use the 2x the ATR value. So for this particular video I'll be using the 1.5x the ATR of this second candlestick. So let's bring out the calculator tool and let's see. So 20 ATR for that candlestick times 1.5, that is a 30 pip. Did I do that right? So let me go back. Okay, so a 30 pip stop. So you want to bring out your position tool and you plot it down on that point. So for a 30 pip stop, just down here. And guys, this is a simple, easy forex scalping strategy to make $100 plus every single day. So because it's scalping, if you want to, you can trail your stops and capture as much move as you want, but I would like to take a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2 on the highest, because this is a scalping strategy. And if you want to, you can trail your stops and cover this whole move. As you can see, 3 to 3.7. so it all depends on what you want and why you want to, what you want to do. So this is trade number 1. So let's get a buying trade. Let's see if we can get a buying setup. So you can see at this point the market broke out and it came back to retest. So after the retesting, the touching of the 200 EMA line, we want to see 2 bullish candlesticks. Okay guys, so like I said, this was a buying trade. It touched on the 200 EMA line and a 1-2 candlestick, bullish candlestick for a buy. So what is the ATR of this candlestick? A 47 pip stop times 1.5. So let's get that. 47 times 1.5. So that's a 71 pip stop. So for a buy, 71 pip stop, and as you can see, we lost this trade. So we won 1 for a 2 to 1 and we lost 1 at this point. So guys, let me mention something, guys. I want to tell you guys a little secret about this strategy. Is when you take one trade, let's say you see the breakout and you take this trade and you lose, do not take any buying trade again until the market breaks for a sell. All right, so I don't know guys, back test the strategy. This is how I trade it. This is just me sharing what I know and how I trade the Heikin Ashi candlestick. So once I see this breakout, I take the trade and I lose. That is all for that buying trade. So I wait for the new wave. I wait for the market to break out of the 200 EMA again for a sell this time, not for a buy. I'm done taking buying trades. Now I'm waiting for a selling trade. All right, so as you can see at this point, the market broke out of the 200 EMA line and it came back down and it's retested this 200 EMA with a strong rejection. So now we saw this candlestick and we saw this beautiful 2 bearish candlestick. And now let's see the ATR value of this candlestick is 30. So 30 times 1.5 is a 45 pip stop. So let's take this trade for a short trade for a 45 pip stop and a 1 to 2. So as you can see guys, a 1 to 2 was the win. So we won 1 trade, we lost this one, and we won this one. So that's a 4 hour minus 1 hour is obviously we made a 3 hour profit. So we made 3% of our money, or it depends on how many percent you want to risk on a trade. But this trade, this strategy is really, it's surprisingly effective. Like if you trade this consistently, then you have a good chance of making some good cash with this strategy. So alright guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Okay guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.